All right, good afternoon, everybody. Uh, I'm trading the ES Mini right now, and looks like we're at a nice level right now. Uh, I believe that when we break out and up under this triangle, we're going to dump. We're coming down. We're coming down to this right here. All right, this is just consolidation. This liquidity grab up here. We see the trend right here. Okay. Here's a trend. When it's going to break back under and it's going to break through here. And that'll be a good trade for everybody to end the day with. Going put. So be a good time right now to put a put in. All right. It'd be a good time right now to put a put in. Okay. So so I believe this will be the money getter right here. All right. And I'm saying that you see this trend, you see this line right here, this rejection. See how it held up here when it held. All right. So yeah. All right, y'all. So here we go. Now, if it holds over, we're gonna go up. I could be wrong, but I don't think I am. I think we're getting ready to break this triangle right here, right where I got it charted at. And I'm
Hey bro, how
pretty
you doing?
sure we're gonna dump. Pretty sure we're getting ready to dump.
Hey bro,
Okay.
how you doing, bro?
Pretty sure. I think we're just doing a
Where
little
are you
liquidity
from?
grab right now. All right. But I believe we're getting ready to dump
You
and
from
we're
New
getting
York?
ready to dump soon. All right. So let's see what happens. See if I know anything. Here we go. Break through this triangle. Let's see. He's trying to hold above it still. He's trying his best to, okay? For some reason, I think it's a fake out. And it's Friday too. I think it's a fake out. Been a lot of moving up. I don't know if it was warranted or not. I don't know if earnings was that great. And let's see what happens. Anybody think what you think? Anybody think I'm right, wrong? Give me some feedback on it. Go. Looks like it's going. It's breaking through that triangle. There we go. We're breaking under there. All right. We're breaking under there. All right, here go the money put. Here it come right here, y'all. We can break through, break up under that little that I was it's trying to hold, but it's not gonna be able to. It's going, y'all. It's going. There we go, y'all. Puts. Come on. Get under there. Get under there. All right. So for anybody who just came in, I got the box drew right here. All right, I got the box drew. I told y'all what it's finna do. Once it breaks out of this box, at the end, this triangle right here is gone. We're going down. All right. Going down. All right. Now, F. If you guys see, it's working it out. All right. Now, anybody want to learn how to read these signals, know when this is going to do this, know when it's going to do it, just give me a message, hit me in the DM or hit one of my links. But it's easy to catch up with me. And I'll definitely get back with you as soon as possible. Just leave me a message, a real message. But looks like we're finna take off, guys. Looks like the put is in effect. Okay? The put is in effect. But let's see what it does. Let's see what it does, all right? There we go. See what it does. This should be it. It should be getting ready to do a monster dump. We've been waiting on it all week. Come on now. Get out of there. Should give it to us. All right. We don't want to do that. All right. Let's go. I can't see any comments or anything right now, y'all. But look, there we go. I caught it. There it is. And we are going. Go ahead. We're going now. Still a good entry, seems like. There we go. There we go. Now let it test. Let it test the bottom of this one more time. The bottom of this range right here. Let it test the bottom of this one more time and shoot on out. But this range is up here, okay? But looks like we're going, y'all. If you're in right now, they've got a real good move on the way. This is a real solid level. It just fell through it. If it falls through it, it's going down. It's going at least here. Okay. If it falls down, it's going at least here. Nowhere else. It's going here. All right. And that'll be a good move. I can't see my messages or anything right now though, but I got to get a little bit used to working with this on my phone. I tried to do it on my laptop, but I don't know what happened. But looks like this is a good entry for anybody on the put. This is the ES right here. Futures, everyone knows what that is. It's like the S&P 500, but it's just futures contracts. All All right. And it's going to go sideways a little bit. It's going to fight. Okay. But it's going to go. You see the structure. Okay. Look at the structure. See that trend right there? I got the structure right here. Okay. Now we're in a spot to where they meet. And we got the levels down here. We still got the levels, and we know it came down and tested. Okay. So there we go. And once it breaks this, we might wait for it to wait. Once it breaks down up under this line, good, this blue line right here, right? This trend, probably take a little profit, okay? Take profit, wait for it to come back up and hit again somewhere, if it's gonna come back up. But if it loses this, I think it might be gone. We're too far out right now. All right. Think it might be gone, okay? It's a possibility it could go up to. It is a possibility. All right. There's a possibility, but I don't believe it's going to go up just because it moved too much already this week. And it's Friday also. We got a lot of uncertainty over the weekend. Okay. We got a lot of uncertainty over the weekend. So, we're in war times and everything. The economy is not great at all. Okay. So I believe institution money is going to take their money out for the weekend. I believe they are. But hey, I could be wrong. I could be right. Anybody just coming in? It looks like an excellent put entry, an excellent sell entry. Okay, this is S&P 500, so most of the market should be acting exactly like this is. All right. I haven't looked at anything else right now. I'm just focusing on this right now. I don't have another screen set up. And I'm recording on this phone, so I can't see it. But you look at it. Look, guys, we're going. Here we go. And we're going. Come on. We need a couple more candles now. Come down to that level. I think that's 7,757. And it may keep going. But I would take profit. I would take profit down here at that at the 77.57 level, just to be safe. You always got another entry you can get. All right. Okay, so now I'm looking for this candle to close down here somewhere. Okay. And if the next candle stays below this line, then we know that our trade is good. Okay. We got a little bit closer. Okay. If the next candle closes, if this candle closes right here or below, we want to see that next candle go under this candle. And if it does and closes under, if the next candle closes under this level right here, then we're pretty good. We're looking good. Everything is looking good and looks like we're going. Okay. All right. Yep. Looks like we're going, guys. Looks like we're going. Like I said, I got to go off my screen to see the to see any comments. If anybody's giving me any comments, anything, join in if you got something to say, or if you like my stream. But as I said, it broke exactly where I said it was going to break.
They teach
All
me
right.
cryptocurrency. I've been at crypto trading.
Oh my God.
Hello.
Okay, what's going on here?
How the hell is it happening? Show. Hello. Hi.
Hello. Hi. How you doing? Do you day
I'm good,
trade?
and you?
I'm good. Do you trade?
You say
Are you a
what?
trader? Are you a day trader?
No, I'm not a trader. No, I'm not
Okay,
a
well,
trader.
this is a day trading channel, and that's what I do. I day trade. All right. It's going pretty good right now. All right, y'all. All right. You see it? It's going, and it did exactly what I said it was going to do. All right. So we're looking for some more, but right now it'll be a good time to take profit if you're in a trade. Take a little profit, but it's still going to go. It's still running. It might come back up and try to test the top of that channel again, though, but I doubt it. I doubt it. All right. All right. But I probably would take profits right now, just for a second, and you can always get back in. All right. But I'm going to let it run just to let you guys see it. We're going to let it run because we're going to see this candle close. This green candle, so-called green candle right now, we want to see it close underneath that last candle, okay? With the wick, we want to see that good top and tail too. All right, we want to see that top and tail. All right, so if you're just now getting in, I'm currently trading the ES mini. That's the S&P 500. It's just futures contracts. All right. I'm in a put right now. We just broke structure. If you see, broke structure, and we're looking to come. I'm looking to come down maybe and test this level right here, the 7,756 level, 57, 58, somewhere around in there. I'm looking to test this level first. All right. And after this level, we're looking to break. After this level, I'm looking to break and come down to 777.56. All right. It's going to probably do a little bit of consolidating for a minute, but it'll come back down. Now, if I was scalping, I would just get out, get in and get out, get in and get out. All right. But we're going to let this one run. I'm going to let this one run. Okay. And yeah, it's working. It was a perfect entry. I charted it perfectly timed, and it was down almost to the minute. And it's doing exactly what I said it was going to do. All right. I mean, I ain't got rich or nothing off of it yet, but it's coming. It's coming. I have got pretty damn good at reading the chart, though. But reading the chart is just one part. Your entries and exits is what really matters. Your money management or your trade management, whatever you want to call it. That's probably the most important part of all of this. Everybody can learn how to do the charts. All right. Everybody can learn how to draw trend lines like I just drew. Everybody can draw levels, but everybody don't got the discipline to wait for it to hit that level. Everybody don't have the skill to catch it in a liquidity grab entry. Okay, so right now it's doing a little bit of consolidating. It's still trying to fight, but we've already broke structure. We broke structure, and we're coming down. All right, structure is broken. We're coming down. All right, that's what's going to happen. That's what's going on. I called it a long time ago, and I'll be doing this periodically. This is free right now. So if you're trading right now, I'm giving you some free money. All right, giving you free money, free entries, exits, and all of that. You know, just to let you know that this is real. This is not something I just put a video out on and post stuff on. No, this is what I do. This is what I love to do. This is me. This is either going to make me or break me. That's it. I'm all in on this. All right. This is it. I don't have a backup plan. This is it. But that's just me. All right. Gibberish. All right. But as I said, though, I can teach you. I can teach you how to do it. This is futures. I can teach you options. I can teach you just basic investing strategies. Holding. I can teach you swing trading. However you want to do it. Whatever you you're interested in. if you're just starting out, or even an immediate or intermediary, a novice or something like that, I probably can still help you. There's a lot of things that I figured out about this trading thing, and the charts are where the money's at. Okay, charts are where the money's at, and once you learn that, you'll know. I'm not listening to no news. I don't know what the news is today. I haven't even turned on the news. But I did look at my chart, and you see this consolidation range. If you can see it, it's consolidated, consolidated, consolidated. Well, the trend from here, boom, as high as it's going, liquidity grab right here. A lot of people thought it was going to mount and shoot up. No, liquidity grab. Okay. Once it mounted under here, once this candle mounted under this line and closed under this line, then we knew that we was going to get a little dip. Now, how much of a dip? I don't know, but you see where I have my line drop. This right here is I really think it could come down to 77.55. It has a really good chance, a really good chance that it's coming down to 77.55, 56. Then it's going to test that level again. I don't know if it's going to fall through, or if it's going to test, or if it's going to reverse for a second. But if it does come down to 77.56, I suggest you take out something. You might want to let one run or something, but I suggest you take out something right there. All right. Suggest you take something out right there if we get that far. But it's still working on this line. Still working on this line. Sorry about that. It's still working on this line right here, okay? See this? Look. See that right there? It's still falling off that line, even though it's consolidating and going lower. You see that right there? Until it breaks that line, then we still looking good, and we're lower, and we got in up here. We got in up here, okay? So where we got in at. So look where we're going. It's on. Look where it's going, guys. Now we want this to close up under here, all right? And we know for sure that we're going. If we can close up under there, we know for sure it's going. All right. Now look, what is it doing? What is it doing? It's trying its best to break up from under there. That's our next thing that we're looking at. All right. And it's got a little resistance there. A little support, I mean. Okay. We're at 139 though, right? 139 Central Time. Market closes here at 3 o'clock. All right. So what we know about that? We know about 145 that we're going to get the groove in a little bit. We're going to have a move in one direction, and we might get this whole dump right now. Looks like we're trying. We're breaking low right now. All right. Now it might break low and rebound at 145, or it might keep going. But okay, let's see. See if we shoot under right here. See if we shoot under, or if we go back up. Pretty sure we're going to shoot under. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, we run into my point. We run into the price point. When we get there, then we out of here. All right. Look like we're on the way. Look like we're on the way. All right. So we're gonna get a little movement. Okay, and you see where this blue line is right here, right? This trend line, this upper trend line. Okay, it could come back and touch this again. Okay. It could come back and touch this and go sideways and constantly hit off of it for a second. All right. It could do that, but it don't look like that's what it's doing. All right. So we know that as long as it's under this line, that we're in a good trade on that put, because we grabbed it up here. So as long as it stays under this line, we know our put is still active. Okay. Once it breaks out this range and closes a candle above this blue line right here, then we want to get out of that trade, because it looked like it's looked like a reversal. Okay. It looks like it'll look like a reversal. All right. So yeah, guys. If anybody like to know about entries or anything, any questions, just ask me. I think I got my messages on and everything. I haven't got real good at doing this on this phone right now, but hey, you guys helped me a little bit. Okay. Y'all just helped me a little bit. Let me know if I'm, helping you guys out. Leave me some positive feedback. All right. Okay, now guys, look like it might try to, once it gets a little bit far outside of this blue line right here, this upper trend line. Okay, it'll come back and try to close that gap, right? So if you're scalping, right, if you're scalping, a good scalp would be when it was down here. Okay, because it may just come back up here and touch that right now. Okay, that'll be a good scalp, but I wouldn't stay in any longer than that. I don't know if I would go against the trend either on scalping right now. I think I would stay with the trend. It's never really a good idea to go against the trend, because scalping can get dangerous. All right. Scalping can get dangerous. And like I said, we got a lot of market manipulation too. That's why I always recommend taking some money out. Leave something in, but take some money out. All right. And that green candle, it shouldn't go no further than that blue line that I put there. If it even reaches. If it even reaches, that's as far as it should go. Then it's coming back down. Okay. It's going to touch, it's going to come back down and continue dumping. As long as it don't come across that blue line, we're good. Your trade, you're in the money. All right. So you can let it run. I don't know how you guys doing your stop losses and stuff, but whatever works for you on that one. But there we go. We're going, guys, as I thought. Now we need to get us another candle, and we're almost there. We're almost there. All right. Let me see anybody else join. Anybody give me a like, man, if you like it. If you think think that I'm giving you anything worth something right now, give me a like. All right. So yeah, it's constantly trying to figure out what's going. Remember, it rarely give it all to you at once. Okay? It rarely gives it to you all at once, but you see that everything I said is happening. All right? That's all I wanted to show you, because I am a tutor. All right? I'm a tutor, and everything that I said was going to happen is happening. All right? And I can teach you the same strategy. I can teach you how to set your charts up. I can teach you why I get in when I get in, why I don't. I can give it all to you, but yeah, we're going down there. We're going down there, okay? And yeah. So who's interested in learning this? That's what I want to know. Who's interested in joining with me and trading with me on a daily basis. All right, so we might have a little bit. We might have another test of that line coming, but I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know, but remember, it can always come in this range right here and test, and it did. See that? So seems like the trade is in motion, y'all. Seems like it's in motion. 77.56 is the target. $77.56 is the target, okay? Bam, there we go. $57, it looks like. 77.57. That's the target. When we hit it, we're out of there. Hit it, we're out of there. We're going to let it. It might fall through. We might not take everything out. You can leave a runner, okay? You can leave a runner, but when it hits there, I'm going to pull out and wait for another entry. I'm going to see how it acts at that level. I'm going to see if it forms support or resistance right there. That's what I'm going to do. All right. Yep. We going, y'all. We're almost there. We're almost there. And our entry was 77.67. Okay. That's what our entry was. Where the pink line is. The top line, 77.67. That was our entry, okay? And we just riding it. We're going to ride it to 7.57. And we're going to get up out of there. All right. Now we got a little gap in here. It might be ready to come down. The more gap that you get between this top trend line right here, that's maybe you might reverse and go back up there, and that'll usually shake a lot of people out, right? It'll reverse and maybe come back here, try to hit the line, but it looks sort of weak right now. I don't know if that's coming. I think we're gonna come down to 77.57 before we think about changing speeds. Okay. All right. All right. Like I said, don't get scared with this green candle. And hey, it could come up and test that trend line again. Okay. Don't be scared of it. All right. You might want to get out of there though if you made some money or something like that. But I'm gonna hold in this trade until I see something close green. If it don't close green, then I'm gonna hold it for a minute. That's another thing too. If you're in a good enough trade, you got enough leeway, and you see a candle going green, red, green or red. Always have your level set so you know where the price is according to where the price has been already. And that's what's a level. Okay. But try to make your entries on a fresh candle. Try to make your entries on a fresh candle, because you waited for a candle to close and show you where it was at on that level, and you waited for it to close either above where with that candle or below. Okay. And in relationship to the level that it's at already. All right. So I think that's always a good practice to wait for the candle to close. All right. Just like that looks like it was going green, right? But it's not. So if you would have got out, it would have tricked you and you would have lost all this move. All right. It would have tricked you. Okay. But like I say, it looks pretty, 153. Got power hour coming up. And I'm sure we're going to have a lot of movement coming up around 2 o'clock. All right. Power hour. I think it's going to make its move before power hour, though. I think we're going to go ahead. We're almost there. We're going to get our move. I don't know if it's going to break under there and go, but it could. It could go all the way back to 77.44 down here. All right. Okay, we're breaking. There we go. We're getting ready to break. Keep pushing. There we go. Let's get us a good old elephant red candle. Let's get us a good one. All right, we're going. We're going. We're almost there. Almost there. Going. Let's see if it breaks through though, or if it pushes on out. There we go. We hit it. Bam. And it fell under. It's gone. There we go. Oh, it's under and it's gone. Okay. Now take profit, everybody. Take profit. Take profit. Take profit. Okay. Right now. Now, wait and see how this candle does. See if this candle holds up top of this blue line or if it goes under. All right. It's going to shoot back up. It's going to shoot back up. Don't worry about it. It's going to shoot back up. All right. All right. So, see here, probably going to come here. Take profit right here for now. It's going to come probably right here, and it's going to continue its downtrend. See that? Let me show you one more time. It's going to probably crawl to here. Probably going to crawl right here. Then it's going to continue that downtrend. All right. But if it doesn't, it's going to keep on going down. But I don't think so. I think it's going to try to pull up, make a little baby recovery, maybe. But let's see. Okay, we're going under still. Great. All right. All right. Yeah, still ain't with nowhere though. Okay. Don't get tricked yet. Still ain't with nowhere yet. Remember that. All right, we're breaking now, but we're still under there. We're still on that same level. All right. Still on that same level. Okay. Look like it's going to try to trick some people. Yeah, that gap has got pretty big in between that upper trend line, like I said. All right. Now, I don't know. We got 3 minutes till power hour. Now, power hour could dump. All right. It could dump drastically. Oh my goodness. I need my charger plugged in, guys. 1 second. One second. Hold on 1 second, okay? All right. All right. So we see it. Just as I said, power hour, we're going to go back up here and test that trend line. All right. Then we're going to shoot back down and it's going to keep on rocking. All right. It's going to keep on rocking. But let's see. Yep. As I thought, it's going to keep on rocking. All right, guys. So give me a second here, okay? All right, so all right. So I closed that position. I closed that position, and I'm waiting for another entry, and I think my entry is going to be right about here, 70. My next entry is going to be right here. All right. We wanted to hit this line. That's all we wanted to do. We wanted to touch. My next entry should be right about there now. That's if it doesn't break out. That's if it doesn't break out, okay? And we're on the 5-minute candles too. On the 5-minute candle. If you was wondering, we're on a 5-minute candle right now. See? See what I told you? Look where it hit. Look where it retested at. You see that? That's where it retested at. So nothing that I've done all day is luck. I told you this already. I put the levels up there. I drew the trend lines for you. I did it all. Now, if it breaks out of that blue line, now this is an entry right here. Great one. All right. So let me go in and this is an entry right here. What's going on? All right, guys, that's the entry. We got a great entry, all right? All right, let me see real quick here. All right, we're going to do 4 of them. 4 contracts at market. And I'm going to take a little chance right here. All right. All right. Now let's see what happens. See if we can get this retracing. See if we can get this back going. We're up $50 already on the trade. We just put it in 100. We took the money on the last one. So let's see. See if we can see what we can do. If we can print one more time when it comes down to this 77.57. All right. Or it may just break through for us. May just break through. We ain't worried about all of that stuff yet. Because it's respecting its trend line. We've seen it respected all day. See? Respected it. It's respected it all day. All right. So we know it's been respecting it all day. So why would it stop respecting it? All right. So yeah, it's getting ready to reject that trend line again, and we'll be back in. We're coming back down with $50 in the money now already on that. It's coming back down. All right. 100 in the money, 150. So if you guys just listen, 200. All you got to do is just follow me. Follow me. If you like some one-on-one courses, one-on-one trade help, you want me to go live with you, whatever, just inbox me. Get in my inbox, send me a message, contact me, and you could also contact me on Superproof. You can look me up. I got my link in all my videos, my Superproof videos. You'll see me. You'll see my name, Stephen Roundtree, and yeah, I'm in Superproof. So yeah, you can get a conversation with me a lot of ways on this, on my Superproof profile, Facebook profile, whatever. But if you want to learn this, if you want to learn this immediately, give me a call. Hit my inbox. You want to make money the first day you sign, the first day, our first lesson, call me. I'll take you live just like this that day, and we'll get right to it. All right, we'll get right to it. All right, you see that? When it come down to this blue line, scale out. I got 4 of them, so I'll sell about 3 of them. I'll let the other 2 keep on going. The other 1 go, I mean. All right. If I say any questions, man, anything, just give me a holler, man. It's live right here. We know that. All right. I'm giving you all the pointers. You're seeing everything that I say. You see how I got the chart set up. I mean, hey, next move on you. Next move on you, you know. Either you want to make it, you want to make some quick bread, or you want to make some good trades, or you don't. All right. So I'm about to take a break, guys. So I'm gonna sign off for now, and I'll probably be back a little later on, or well, today's Friday, so you'll see me probably Sunday, or I might come on and just give a couple classes on support and resistance, and something like that, or just talk about trading in general on the weekend. But yeah, but for now I'm signing off, and looks like it's trying to break through structure again, right? But guess what? It's not. Before I leave, perfect put entry right now. Perfect. Liquidity grab at its best. All right. Thank y'all for being with me and checking me out, man. And look, perfect liquidity grab. But like I say, thanks for hanging out with me and checking me out, right? Man, get up with me. I can use all the support I can get. Thanks.